from Iceland, frozen food. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sophia. If this is your first time on my channel, you're highly welcome, guys. You can already guess the title already. So today I have a Iceland frozen food. Okay, I'm trying to fill up my freezer, okay, to stay for a while. Okay guys, so I have Iceland frozen food and a bit of unfrozen food, but mainly frozen food. Okay guys, let's dive right into this video. I'll be telling you guys the prices. Okay, I got my receipt here, Iceland, so I'll be telling you guys the prices as we go along the video. Okay guys, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for, guys? We are trying to get to 5,000k and 6,000k this year. Okay guys, so please subscribe. It's free to subscribe. Please guys, it's also free to give the video a like. Okay, it won't do you anything. You will just be helping me as you enjoy watching the shopping haul. Please consider subscribing, okay, and also smash the like button. And of course, if you want to give me a gift, if you want to buy me Calipo ice lolly or a cup of tea, you can use the thanks sticker. It's just £1 something, guys. I know you can do it. Okay guys, so let's dive right into this video. Don't forget, it's free to subscribe. All right, thank you guys for watching. Okay, let's enjoy the video. Okay guys, so I have everything here from Iceland, frozen food and a bit of unfrozen food. So everything is on my table right here, guys. Okay, so I just came back now from the food warehouse by Iceland. Everything in this haul cost me what am I saying? I was going to say £600. Oh guys, yeah, I have to laugh. Anyway, everything on this haul here cost me £96.60, guys. If I say £600, somebody will be like, wait, what? £600 for just everything only on this table? No guys, £96.60. Okay, and the reason why it's £96.60, there was a crepes. Yes, the crepes, there's a discount in the crepes, so there's minus £1. It would have been £97.60. Okay guys, so let's start from over here. Okay, let's start from here. I kind of remember some of the prices, but then the prices keep changing these days. The prices are changing, guys, so it's quite difficult now to actually tell the exact price without looking at the receipt, because I'm even trying to actually look at the receipts now. Okay, so burger buns, yes. So as I say, everything seems to be changing in price. Everything is changing. Every time I go to the shop, it's changing. Okay, so initially this seeded burger buns, it was £1.50. It went to £1.60. Guys, it's now £1.75. You see, every time I go to the shop, it's always changing. The prices always changing. The prices are here. Okay, it's now £1.75. I bought two is £3.50. Okay, there's two there. Okay, so the next in line is the eggs. Okay, so the eggs, there's 15 in the box. There's 15 inside the box. I bought two. One is £1.60. In those days, before this egg, the box used to be £1.15p. £1.15p. It's now £1.60 now. So I bought two. Two is £3.20. Okay, there's two of them there. And then we bought some waffles, potato waffle. They used to be 12, but they've reduced them down to 10 for the same price of £1. So I bought three. Yeah, three of them. Okay, and then over here I saw this American, it's called American Patties. I've never tried it. I don't even know exactly what it is. Curiosity just made me buy it. I said maybe it would be like burger, like what's in the picture. I don't know. Okay, so I bought it. It's £4. There's 20 inside there. It's called American Patties. It's £4. And then this other one as well is American burger, American style quarter pounder. It's also £4. Okay, there is about 10 of them inside there. I've never tried them, but I'm hoping it will taste good. So it's new. Okay, it's £4. There's 10 inside. Okay, and then over here I bought our chicken that I normally get, the chicken thigh that I normally get, certain fried chicken thigh. Okay, let me quickly just look for the price, because sometimes the prices change. Okay, so the price, let me see, what's the price now? Chicken thigh £3.50. Okay, it was £3 before, it's not £3.50. I bought just one. And I also bought this bed, what do you call it, Bernard Matthew turkey. It's for the children, turkey burger. Okay, I bought 2. One is where is it again? One is 3 pounds, so I bought 2 of them. 2 is 6 pounds. As you can see, there's 10 inside. They are going to be having this today, so that's me plan for as well. They are going to be having this with this one, okay, and maybe a bit of hash brown as well. So that's what they are going to be having today. So I bought 2 of them. They are 3 pounds. There's 10 inside, so I bought 2. That's 6 pounds. Okay, next in line is I bought this Iceland quarter pounder. The quarter pounder is used to be 4 pounds. In fact, it used to be 3 pounds something. Then it went to 4 pounds. Now it's 5 pounds 25p. Okay, it's 5 pounds 25p. I bought only 1 of it. Yeah, I'm trying to even look for the price. Yes, 5 pounds. Yes, 5 pounds. Let me quickly just check the price. Yeah, 5 pounds 25p, guys. There's 10 inside. Okay, so I also bought our chicken nugget. You guys already know I tend to buy this chicken nugget, even though they've reduced the quantity, but I still buy it. Okay, so chicken nugget is now 5 pounds 50. Even though they've reduced it, they've increased the price of 5 pounds 50. It was 5 pounds before, but now it's now 5 pounds 50. Okay, moving on. So I got this sausage. There's 50 in this pack. You guys, this sausage, the price keep going up and down. I don't understand. Okay, today now the price is 7 pounds 50 for this. This was 5 pounds before in those days. It's now 7 pounds 50. It went to 6 pounds, then it went to 7 pounds 50. So it's now 7 pounds 50. I bought just 1. And then the chicken wings is 4 pounds, Iceland as well. Okay, chicken wings is 4 pounds. I just want to use it to do peri peri chicken. Okay, so I bought just 1 of this, 4 pounds. Okay guys, moving along, I got some ginger here. The ginger is 80p. I bought 2. That should be 1 pound 60 for 2. And also I bought some mashed potato. I bought a big mashed potato. I'm looking for the price. I'm trying to look for it, if I can quickly find it. I think it was 2 pounds. If I can find it, but I think it's around 2 pounds, guys. I don't want the video to be extremely long. Okay, so the mashed potato is there, is the bigger one. If I can find it now, I'll tell you guys the price. Okay, so I found it is 2 pounds. Yes, I'm right, guys. Mashed potato, the big one, 1 point something kilo, 1.85 kilo, 2 pounds. It's mashed potato. I need to pick and put them in the freezer. They are defrosting already. Okay, so we have our ash bran right here. The ash bran, they are 1 pound or 1 pound something. Let's see if I can quickly find the price. Quickly, hash brown 1 pound. Yeah, guys. So the hash brown are 1 pound. Okay, so I bought 3 of them. Okay, they are 1 pound. And then I bought this steamed bedside steamed vegetables. If I could find the price, bedside steamed vegetable. I think it's about 2 pound 25. They didn't offer on it. If you buy 3, I think it's 3 for 5 pounds. So it's 2 pound 25. I decided to buy only 1. And these ones, they are 1 pound. Mixed vegetables. Mixed vegetables, I think they are 1 pound. Sometimes it's difficult to find the price quickly. Yes, 1 pound on the receipt. So the mixed vegetable, they are 1 pound. I bought 2. That's 2 pound. And then over here we have our chicken, barbecue chicken wings. I bought 2 of them. They are 3 pound 50. Barbecue chicken wings are 3 pound. Yo, they are 3 pound. Okay, barbecue chicken wings. They are 3 pound, guys. 3 pound. In case you want to get for yourself in Iceland, they are 3 pound. They are very nice actually. Okay, and then also I bought the other one. There's 2 types. The hot and spicy one. It's 3 pound as well. Okay, guys. And then over here I bought some sweet chili sauce. It's 3 pound 50. Okay, it's 3 pound 50 for that. And then the drink, the Tropicana drinks. What is the price of the Tropicana drink? Tropicana juice is 1 pound 65p. Summer fruit 1 pound 65p as well. So they are over here, guys. That is it, £1.65 each. And then thank God they've brought back my couscous. I like the couscous so much, but they've increased the price a little bit. Okay, so the couscous is Morocco couscous. It's now £5.50. They've added 50p to it. Okay, it was £5 before. Okay, so it's now £5.50. That's my couscous over there. And then over here I got these crepes for the kids. They are doing offer on it, so it's 2 for £6. It's American style kind of crepes, I think. I don't know, it's called Golden Wonder fully loaded. Golden Wonder fully loaded. Okay, I got 2 type of flavor. That's one, and this another one. So they have different type of flavors in there. Can you see? And the same thing with the other one. Okay, yeah guys. And then I also got our toilet paper velvet. It's £8.50. I think that's all there is in this haul, guys. So please don't forget to subscribe. The subscription is free. Okay guys, so I'm just going around the table for you guys to see properly. So yeah, that's everything in today's haul. I hope you guys enjoy watching, and I hope I was able to tell you guys the price, so you're able to know what to get when you get to Iceland, in case you have a large family like me. You know, yeah guys. So this is everything. Thank you all so much for watching. I appreciate you guys always coming back to watch my shopping haul. I hope I'm being helpful here. Thank you so much guys, I really appreciate it. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, it's free. Don't forget to buy me a tea or a ice lolly. Okay guys, thanks so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys, thank you so much.